YouTube Studio is a powerful tool for creators to manage their YouTube channels and optimize their video content for SEO. With YouTube Studio, creators can access detailed analytics and performance metrics, such as viewer engagement, watch time, and click-through rate, to understand how their videos are performing and make data-driven decisions about their content. YouTube Studio also allows creators to edit their videos, add captions, and optimize their titles, tags, and descriptions for SEO, which can help their videos rank higher in search results. YouTube Studio also provides creators with access to monetization options, such as ads and sponsorships, which can help them earn money from their content and invest in improving their channels. YouTube Studio also offers live streaming tools, enabling creators to interact with their audience in real time and build their brand. YouTube Studio also provides creators with access to YouTube's advanced analytics features, such as demographics, location, and audience retention metrics, which can help them understand and target their audience more effectively. YouTube Studio provides a feature called Super Chat, which allows viewers to pay to have their comments highlighted and stick to the top of the chat during a live stream. This feature is available for creators who are eligible for monetization. YouTube Studio provides the ability to schedule live streams and manage chat, which can increase viewer engagement and drive more traffic to the channel. YouTube Studio also offers a mobile app for creators to access the features of YouTube Studio on the go, making it easy to manage their channels from anywhere. YouTube Studio is constantly updating its tools and features, which makes it an essential tool for creators looking to optimize their YouTube channels for SEO and grow their audience.